Good morning, sir. I am Catherine Avenido Kahis from Block 12, second year. And now, I will report the topic of Charles Law. So, what is Charles Law? Charles Law is an experimental gas law that describes how gases tend to expand when heated. A modern statement of Charles Law is when the pressure on a sample of the dry gas is held constant, the Kelvin temperature and the volume will be in direct proportion. So, ano ang formula sa Charles Law, sir? V1 and T1 equals V2 to T2, or first volume first temperature equals second volume to second temperature. So my first example on Charles Law is uh 132 milliliters of gas is measured at 38 degrees Celsius. If the pressure remains constant, what will be the volume of gas at 10 degrees Celsius? And now, now we will proceed to the given. So I already write the given, sir. So first, it's given then. V1 equals 132 ml. T1 equals 38 degrees Celsius. T2 equals 10 degrees Celsius. So the volume 2 is the problem that we need to solve with. So, before ta mo solve sa atong problem is atong timan-an nga that the Charles Law statement that the Kelvin temperature and the volume of gas are directly related when there is no change in pressure of gas. Meaning, kung nakadirect ang relationship sa temperature o volume, is ang mahitabo is as as the temperature increases, the volume also increase. Or ang temperature is mubaba, so ang volume is mubaba sad. So ang atong basihan ani nga problem is ang concept sa Charles Law. So ang unit sa temperature is naka-Kelvin. So kung naka-Celsius na or Fahrenheit sa given, need na to siya nga i-convert usa ta mag-solve. So mao ni ang formula sa pag-convert. Temperature in Kelvin and equals temperature of Celsius plus 273. So i-convert na to ang T sub 1. So first temperature equals 38 degrees Celsius Kelvin, and temperature in Kelvin equals Tc plus 273. So temperature in Kelvin equals 38 plus 273 is equals 311 Kelvin. So ato nang pulihan ang ang 38 degree is mahimo na siya nga. So ang first temperature nato nga ganina is 38 degrees Celsius is mahimo na siyang 311 Kelvin kaya ako. Then sunod is ang T sub 2 na sad atong i-solve. Para gapon sila sa proseso sa pag-solve sa gibuhat nato sa T sub 1. Para ang formula sa T sub 1. So second temperature equals 10 degrees Celsius Kelvin, And temperature in Kelvin equals temperature in Celsius plus 273. Temperature in Kelvin equals 10 plus 273 equals 283 Kelvin. So, ang atong 10 degrees Celsius is mahimo na siya nga ang 10 degrees Celsius nato ganina is or second temperature is mahimo na siyang 283 Kelvin. So, mo niya ako ang second example sa Charles Law, sir. So, a container has 5 liter of nitrogen gas at 25 degrees Celsius. What will be its temperature if the volume is increased by 10 liter, keeping the pressure constant? So, write the given. So, mo niyang given. First volume is 5 liter, second volume is 10 liter. And the first temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. And the temperature is mo niyang ato ang pangitaon niya. So, kabantay ta nga na degrees Celsius gapon siya, so convert to Kelvin to nato siya. Same sa akong gibuhat sa first example nako. So, mo niya formula sa pag-convert. And then first temperature equals 25 degrees Celsius. Temperature in Kelvin equals temperature in Celsius equals 273. Temperature in Kelvin equals 25 plus 273 equals 298 Kelvin. So, mo niya to ang initial temperature Kelvin. So, alid-an na to ang given og 298 Kelvin. And para makuha na to ang temperature, so para makuha na to ang final temperature is proceed ta sa formula. So, mo ni formula mo na ako nang gisuwat. Then second temperature equals 10. So, 10 letters. So, kabantay ta nga pareha og unit, so ato i-cancel out. So, 10 times 298 equals 2,980. Divide 5. So, 2,980 divided by 5 is 596. So, mo ni atong final temperature is 596. And next is mo-proceed ta sa ako ang third example of Charles Law. So this is my third example of Charles Law. Calculate the volume of gas in liters at 20 degrees Celsius if occupies 15 liter at 15 degrees Celsius. So this is the formula, and V1 is the known, and V2 is 15 liters, and our T1 is 20 degrees Celsius, and T2 is 15 degrees Celsius. So, i-convert nato sila into Kelvin. So, mo ni ang hitabo. Ang atong 20 degrees Celsius is nahimong 293. And ang T sub 2 sad is atong gid-convert into Kelvin. Makita man nato giun sa pagkuha. So, nahimo siya nga 288. Ang 15 degrees Celsius is nahimo na siyang 288. And then, this is the formula of Charles Law. So, copy. V1 equals V2 T1 over T2. So, V1 15 times 293 equals 4,395 liters divided by 288. So, mo ni ang result sa volume is 15.26 liters. So, mo ni answer. And now, sir, I will discuss about Gay-Lussac's law. So, what is Gay-Lussac's law? Gay-Lussac's law is a gas law that states the pressure of a gas varies directly with temperature when mass and volume are kept constant. So, this is the formula of Gay-Lussac's law. P1 over T2 equals P2 over T2. Original pressure, which is P1, original temperature, which is T1, resulting pressure, which is P2, and resulting temperature, which is T2. And this is the standard of pressure of 1 atmosphere. And next, I will discuss my first example of Gay-Lussac's law, or solve our 3 problems. So, my first example is determine the pressure change when a constant volume of a gas at 1 atmosphere is heated from 5 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. So, write the formula, which is P1 T2 T1 equals P2 over T2. So, our original pressure is 1.0 atmosphere, 1.00 atmosphere. And our original temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. And our P2 is unknown. T2 is 60 degrees Celsius. So, convert to the Kelvin. So, 50 degrees Celsius is add na to siya og 273.15. So, nahimo siyang 223.15. And also the 60 degrees Celsius is convert to Kelvin. So, at 273.15. So, nahimo siyang 333.15. So, P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2. So, multiply to get the value of X. And so, money result 333.15 equals 323.15. So this is my first example of Gay-Lussac's law. So, determine the pressure change when a constant volume of gas at 1.00 atmosphere is heated from 50 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. So, right, our P1 is 1.00 atmosphere and the T1 is 50 degrees Celsius and P2 is unknown. And T2 is 60 degrees Celsius. So, naka-degree Celsius man siya. So, we need to convert into Kelvin. So, 50.0 degrees Celsius, add na to siya og 273.15. And then, also the 60.0 degrees Celsius, add na to siya og 273.15. So, nahimo siya nga siyang 333.15. So, we need to solve na. Then, copy the formula P1 over T2. P1 equals P2 over T2. So, cross multiply nita sila, which is 1.1 over 323.15 equals X 300 X over 333.15. So, equals 333.15 equals 323.15. Divide both to get the value of x, and 300, so so this is equal, ano na siya ang answer, so 333.15 divide 323.15, it is equals 1.03 sa'yo. 1.03. So our P2 is 1.03. And now we will proceed to the second example of Gay-Lussac's law.